Hello friends, today I am going to explain SUNWORLD 30 ampere solar charger controller. In this video contains disassemble charger controller and inside original chips and quality of boards, installation and how to behave with current, and how to configure controller. In this charger controller backside, it installed aluminium heat pads. Normally, other charger controllers doesn't have this kind of heat pads. It is good advantage of this charger controller. The main display shows the solar panel, voltage and battery voltage and output. Second display is floating voltage. It means the battery floating voltage. Third one is discharge reconnect. It means the battery is discharged when it again refills. So it becomes to 12.6 volt and the charger controller automatically on output. The fourth one is discharge stop. When the battery is draining, when it reaches to the 10.8 volt, so battery and charging controller disconnect that line. After recharge the batteries, it will automatically connect. Working mode is 24 hours working. And the sixth one is battery type. When you go to the display, it shows B01. If you have seal type batteries, you can select B1. If you have gel type battery, you can select B2. If you have flooded batteries, you can select B3. Now you can see the heat sink. It is attached to the ICs. You can see the main board. It is very good and very quality product. It has the ICs, the company ICs being included. This is Sun solar charger controller. Now it is shows solar panels, power is incoming, it's blinking, and battery are fully charged my batteries. So that voltage is 13. Now here it will show 13.7 the battery output is, and power output I set to the 12.6. This is the discharging cutoff voltage 10.7, 24 hours working, and battery B1 is the battery that I selected. Push this button for a few minutes, it will show. Now hold that button for a few seconds, it will now steady. Now I am going to output voltage, so it is okay. 10.7 is discharging, and B1. Hold this button. Change. Now you can select which kind of battery you can insert. Number 3, number 1. I put number 1. Hold this button. It's very easy to. Now I'm going to show the normal temperature around here, 32.4 and 32, and solar controller 41 point, and wires 41. When you push this button, you can manually on output voltage. See, now it is on. Now the output voltage. This is the power consumption, 4 ampere. Now the solar controller gives output voltage 4 ampere, and that heat is normal, so it is very good solar charger controller. Power consumption watts, 51 watt. charger controller and battery pack included to the container. Now it shows that solar charging and the battery is charging now. Here I installed the LED 5-volt light. The system is now working.